Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class of 7-Star Convent School. Students, today we are going to make some understanding about factors and multiples. What is factor and what is multiple? Okay. Students, in a simple manner we can say a factor is a number by which we can divide the original number. Okay. And in the case of multiples, we can say the multiples are those numbers which can be divided by the original number. Okay. Students, let me tell you with the help of example. Suppose we have 12 here. Okay, 12 is a number and now we will write the factor of 12 and we will write the multiples of 12. Okay, first if we write the factor of 12, then what we write? The factor of 12 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, if we write the multiples of 12, then it becomes 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Okay. Now from here we can say factors are those numbers by which we can divide the original number. Okay. We can divide the original number by 1, we can divide the 12 by 2, by 3, by 4, by 6 and by 12. Okay. But in the case of multiples, we can say multiples are those numbers which can be divided by the original numbers. Multiples can be divided by the original number. We can divide 12 by 12, we can divide 24 by 12, we can divide 36 by 12. That means in a simple manner we can say in the case of multiples, we write simply the table of that number. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48 and so on. Okay. Now from here we can say factors are fixed number. That means the total number of factors are fixed. Okay. But multiple are not fixed because we can write another multiple again and again and again. If we multiply this number with another number, then we get another multiple of this number. That's why multiples are not fixed. Okay, but the factor are fixed. We cannot make another factor of this number. Okay, if we go further, then we see some interesting fact about factors and multiple. Okay, the fact number 1, we can say 1 is the smallest factor of any number. That means 1 is the smallest factor of any number. 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Okay, and the greatest factor of any number is number itself. Now we can say the greatest factor of any number is number itself. Okay. Now in the case of multiples, we can say the smallest multiple of any number is number itself. The smallest multiple of any number is number itself, and we cannot define the greatest multiple of this number. Okay, we cannot define the greatest multiple of this number. We cannot set the upper limit of the multiples. Okay. Now student, we will see how to find out the multiples and how to find out the factors with the help of examples. Okay. Students, now if the question is write all the factors of 24, that means we have to write all the factors of 24. Then how we will write all the factors? If you want to write that all the factors of 24, there is a very simple method. Okay. First of all, student, you need to find out the two numbers, combination of two numbers whose product is this number. Okay. For example, we have 1 and 24. There is two numbers whose product is 24. Okay. Now again, you found two different numbers whose product is 24. Then we can say we have 2 into 12 whose product will be 24. Now if we find another one, then we can say 3 into 8. 3 into 8 becomes 24. Now if you find another one, then we can say 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Now if you go further, we cannot make this by the multiply of 5, and again if you go further, then we will see 6 into 4. That means now we got this number and we are going to reverse again 6, 8, 12 and 24. In this case we can say all the factors of this number becomes these ones. Okay. Now students, we can write factors of 24 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now from here we can say we have total factors of 24 in a simple manner. Okay, this is our answer of this question. Okay. Now student, if somebody tell you find out the 3 multiples of this number, okay, that means now we have to find out the 3 multiples of 24. How we will find out it? We will simply find out it by multiply simple numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we can write here 24 into 1 at the first time, 24 into 2 at the second time, 24 into 3 at the third time. We have to find out only 3 multiples of 24. Okay. So 24 into 1 becomes 24, 24 into 2 becomes 48, 24 into 3 becomes 72. From here we can say we have 3 multiples of 24. We can go on like this and we will get lots of multiples of 24. Okay. From here we can say the 3 multiples of 24 equals to 24, 48 and 72. This will be our answer. Okay. We can write some different multiples also here, like if we multiply this by 10, by 20, by 50, by any number, we can multiply 24 by any number, and whatever we got the product, that is our answer. Okay. In this manner we can find out the multiples of any number. Okay. Now students, if we have another number, suppose if we have 125. Now we have to write all the factors of 125. Then how we will write it? Like a previous question, we can simply solve it. Factors of 125. That means we have to find out the 2 pairs of numbers whose product is 125. Then we can say 1 into 125. And second one will be, we cannot make from 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be, and that means 5 into 25 is equal to 125. And if we go further, then we will see. Now student, if we go further, then we will see there is no other pair of numbers whose product is 125. Okay. Now from here we can say we have factors of 125, like we can write here factors of 125 equals to 1, 5, 25, 125. These all are the factors of 125. Okay. Now students, if we write multiples of 125, then we can simply say we have to multiply 125 by any number. Whatever number you want, you can multiply. The result will be the multiples of 125. If we have to find out the 3 multiples of 125, then we can simply multiply it by 1, 125 by 2, 125 by 3. Now we can say If you multiply 125 by 1, it becomes 125. And if you multiply by 2, 125 into 2, it becomes 250. And if you multiply 125 by 3, then it becomes 375. Now students, from here we can say the three multiples of 125 is equal to 125, 250, 375. This will be our answer. Okay. Now in this case also we can say we can write lots of multiples of any number. There is no upper limit. We cannot write the total multiples of any number because there is no upper limit for that. Okay. Students, I hope now you can do factors and multiples in your home. But if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me. You can also WhatsApp me for any queries. Thank you.